Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to make a rag rug using some t-shirt yarn, latch hook or crochet hook, and latch hook rug canvas, and how to do your design on some graph paper. So to start with, you need some graph paper, pencil, pens, and as you'll see, the latch hook rug canvas also has the same division up as your graph paper, which is great because it makes it super easy to draw out your design exactly how you want it. So I've had a little play around with some designs, and I think I'm going to have to go at doing this in the middle. When you do your rug, make sure you've got at least 2 rows around, so this one will be cut down later all the way around. And the reason for that is for when we finish it, we'll be bending that over and we'll be doing a whip stitch, and that will hold all your design in place. Okay, so it's really simple. So taking your design, however you want it to go, this is supposed to look like leopard print, and I've got some t-shirt yarn here. When selecting my t-shirt yarn, there are all sorts of different types, and you can get quite stringy t-shirt yarn. Opt for the chunkier t-shirt yarn if you can, something that's got quite a good thickness to it. You can use the stringier stuff, but you just have to go back and double up in some of the gaps here to fill it out a little bit. Okay, so using my design, I'm going to use this as my guide. So I'm going to start with the green. We'll work from the top. Now I've been using a mixture of latch hook, which is one of these. And you can get these from most craft stores or online. And this one just has a little latch like this. I think this is just a normal basic medium size latch hook. And you put your t-shirt yarn behind, leaving quite not a huge amount of tail, but enough. And you just poke your latch hook through and pull up a loop. Like I say, I'm doing a looped rug. Put that in the wrong hole. It's good if you can actually pull your own. There you go. Like so, and pull up a loop. You want quite a long loop, longer than you expect. It'll probably be about 1 centimetre or 2 centimetres. Up. The reason being is when you pull your next loop up, is that it will automatically pull some of that first loop out. This is quite a thick t-shirt yarn, but you can use anything. You can use cut up bits of material, you can use yarn. The thicker the better, because it holds itself in place better, so it doesn't fall back through the hole. And again, you just want to keep working your design, so you're just popping it through, catching it on the other side, and then pulling it through and letting it go. That's it really, and you'll keep doing that until you've covered your design. So once you've completed your design, like so, you need to now finish the edges. So what I've got here is I've got 2 lines before my design starts. And the best way I've found is that you fold this over in half, like so. You might find that there are a couple sticking up, that's fine, that might be where you've just been pulling your work. If you can leave more when you're doing your work, that's better, and then at the end trim them, ready to do your whip stitch. So I've just threaded just a children's plastic needle, or you can use darning needle or wool needle. I'm using Aran Weight acrylic yarn here, but you can use cotton, you can use anything you like really, and just thread it and fold it in half, put a knot in the end. This is a great craft to do with kids as well, because they can easily do this. So you're just threading your needle through, like so, folding the work over and going back in a whip stitch, trying not to go back through the loop so you don't do a blanket stitch. Okay, so I'm just going to work a few more of these. Down here so you can see what I'm doing. As you can see, that gives you an edging. You just want to keep working over and over until you've got covered all the white gaps, so you get it nice and covered. Try not to get your work trapped in it, like so. And you can just keep going round and round and round and round until you're happy with the look of your whip stitch. There you go. And then just continue that all the way down, trim off any little loose ends and do that all the way round, and that should finish your work.